apparently there is a jinx कि सेकंड सीजन चलता नहीं है बट हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें, थोड़ा भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. When I read the script I was like yes, someone has done it again. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
एजाज, अब आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि आपको फर्क पड़ता है.
यहाँ तो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, यहाँ फर्क पड़ना चाहिए.
बट who got more goals out of the both of you?
हम दोनों के सीन में मालूम नहीं, अभी कंपटीशन मत लगा, ठीक है? अब दोनों की सीन with
obviously me, but I didn't count.
Oh please, you only got it fine.
इसके आगे मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मदर वर्सेस सन होगा क्या?
सीजन 3 का प्लॉट रिवील कर दिया है.
What were you going to say? Why did you take that pause?
Because I was going to say Purnima. Then I realized I shouldn't address you as Purnima. That's why I said Priya.
Were you really going to say Purnima or you were going to say something
Yeah.
else?
Too many P's around it.
Yeah, there's too many P's in your life, yeah.
नहीं यार, लोग तब सोच रहे थे इतना क्या है, इतना you're leaving such a big show and you're coming out.
The stars of City of Dreams season 2. I have with me Priya and Ejaz. Welcome both of you. How are you guys?
Thank you, Shweta. We're very good.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so good to have both of you. I absolutely love the trailer for the second season. And there's so much that I want to talk to you about, but I think we'll have to wait for the show to finally come out because बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जिनका आंसर हमें चाहिए, पर आई थिंक उसके लिए हमें 30th तक वेट करना पड़ेगा. बट टेल मी समथिंग. यूजुअली जब किसी शो का सेकंड सीजन आता है, सो देयर इज ऑलरेडी अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस दैट देयर विद द शो बिकॉज पीपल हैव सीन इट, सो दे नो व्हाट्स कमिंग. आर यू नर्वस? डज दैट मेक यू नर्वस एट ऑल कि एक वी हैव टू टेक इट अ नॉच हायर बिकॉज कभी-कभी सेकंड सीजंस आल्सो बॉम्ब, सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट?
Priya, go ahead.
I would say that at least for me, I was definitely nervous, but I was more excited because the script of the second season is, I would say, more and more and more powerful and in-depth than the first season, because the first season was a lot about introduction and a lot of different stories, then actually getting into the drama of politics and the family. So we actually, the main conflict, you actually reach to that main conflict by the end of the season. And now the second season starts from there. So it's more dramatic, it's more intense, I would say.
There's always a scare and apparently there is a jinx कि सेकंड सीजन चलता नहीं है. बट हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें, थोड़ा भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. When I read the script I was like yes, someone has done it again. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Edge of the seat. When I was reading all the episodes, I wanted to know what is going to happen next. I was overconfident. I was like, if I cracked Wasim Khan in season 1, मेरे को तो problem ही नहीं होने वाला है. Then I went on set and I started mimicking my character. So अभी ये तो मेरे लिए this is the first time I'm doing one season and second season, so this was like a learning curve for me. So I was thinking that ये वसीम कैसा करेगा, season 1 में कैसा करेगा, चलो मैं अभी वैसे करता हूँ. So I ended up mimicking. I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? I'm thinking about Wasim in my head while doing this scene, so automatically वो एक layer आ ही जाएगा आंखों के सामने. So I was very nervous. I even spoke to the ADs, I spoke to people around me. What am I doing? It took me a little while. And then of course we have Nagesh sir. You understand if he liked something or he didn't like something, he's going to let go of something. And okay, ठीक है. As long as he doesn't come and talk to you, it's okay. It's okay. It's going on. He's not going to leave a shot. Chalo, chalta. He's never going to leave it. So he is the captain of the ship. He'll handle it. You just have to put our trust in him. Baki sab ho jata.
Or you just wait for to listen to those words where he says gold. Gold is where Nagesh sir's best performance. best. And you wait for the time when he says goal. इसके बाद
like little kids.
Yeah, literally like little kids. इसके बाद ये gold के बाद तुम कितना चाहो उससे अच्छा take दे ही नहीं सकते. And he says that and it happens, okay? Once you reach that gold level, उसके बाद you can never recreate that same emotion or same moment. So, and we really wait for that moment to come when he says gold.
We had such a good time doing our scenes, na Priya? Finally.
Yeah, and this season we had so many scenes together.
Yeah.
But who got more golds out of the both of you?
नहीं, हम दोनों के सीन में मालूम नहीं. अभी कंपटीशन मत लगा, ठीक है? हम दोनों की सी with
obviously me, but I didn't count.
Oh please, you only got it fine. With my equation with sir is different, yeah. I have to look at him, then he's sitting like that. Either he's smiling, or he's not doing anything, or he's thinking, or he's gone into the next shot. I know it's okay.
एजाज, अब आप ये नहीं बोल सकती कि आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि आपको फर्क पड़ता है.
यहाँ तो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. यहाँ फर्क पड़ना चाहिए. मैं अपने हिसाब से नहीं कर सकता. This is a character that he fleshed out when he was writing Nagesh and Rohit. He fleshed out. He knows everything about this character. मैं कुछ चीजें अपनी लेकर आता हूँ इस कैरेक्टर में, और खुदा का शुक्र है that he actually asks me once in a while, okay, how do you want to do this? That is my gold for me. I know from his mood, from how he's sitting, from how he's holding the mic, if he's getting irritated with something else that is happening, he's so glued in the scene. I know everything. मुझे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. उनसे तो बहुत पड़ता है.
जब से ट्रेलर आया है, तब से there's obviously been like a lot of good comments and people are waiting for it. चाहे वो social media पे हो and all of that. I'm sure you guys are seeing it already. But what I have done is I've taken out some interesting comments that have come on the trailer. Okay, and these are really cool comments, mind you. All about the show, all about you guys, and this is just to also see how people are so excited about the show. So I'm just going to read out a few comments, and if you want to say something to that, react to it in any which way. Let's start. Okay, so this one's for Priya, which says, Priya is such a good actress and so beautiful. Would like to see her more in Hindi and other regional language movies. What do you have?
Absolutely.
I wish, yeah, I also want to work more. But I just, my only concern is that I can't take up work just for the sake of doing work. You know, I want something that will satisfy my hunger as an actor, or it will just consume me. I like roles which demand certain prep or involvement, or, you know, something that I have to give my 100%. Yeah. I just don't want to be on the set around and just do blah.
But nahi yaar, Priya, not one web show a year. Not one web show a year. We need to see you more, please.
I also
Seriously.
want to work more, so let people, I mean, let there be many good roles and let people call me and then I'll go.
I don't want you to be frozen now because the next comment is for you, which says...
Okay. Please read it.
Yes. Okay, so this comment says, Ejaz, your feisty walk made the trailer more classy and intense. I always love how Wasim walks like a Dabangg hero.
Oh, thank you. It was worked on, actually, because I don't actually walk like that. But I think Priya and everyone has seen me walk like that only on set. Because the minute I walk out of the vanity van, I'm in my clothes and I'm Wasim Khan and I'm walking like that. But there कुछ होता है, पता है, once you wear the वर्दी ना, एक किस्म की अथॉरिटी आ जाती है, और वो अथॉरिटी के साथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आ जाती है कि आप कुछ फालतू चीजें नहीं कर सकते. तो आपको वो अकड़ बना के रखनी पड़ती है वर्दी के. तो वो है. Thank you very much for that sweet comment.
You know that music starts when it starts the walk.
Another one says, superb, loved the concept. First it was brother versus sister. Now it's father versus daughter. How cool.
इसके आगे मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. मदर वर्सेस सन होगा क्या?
सीजन 3 का प्लॉट रिवील कर दिया है.
पहले सीजन 3 होने वाला है, ये रिवील कर दो, बाद में प्लॉट रिवील कर दो.
अब प्लॉट रिवील कर दिया तो हो ही जाएगा. Somebody says, what? Did they just kill Purnima?
Yeah. What the hell is that? Yep. Priya, what is that?
What were you going to say? Why did you take that pause?
Because I was going to say Purnima. Then I realized I shouldn't address you as Purnima. That's why I said Priya.
Were you really going to say Purnima or you were going to say something
Yeah.
else?
Too many peas around it.
You're like,
What
yeah,
did I
there's too
say?
many P's in your life, yeah?
नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं है. नहीं है.
Okay, we'll come back to City of Dreams.
Yeah, please.
Then we'll talk about your dreams.
Oh. But okay, yeah. What is
So,
happening?
oh my god, his exams, yeah. I'm feeling bad, but
Exams wala ho gaya. This is
oh, exams nahi, sorry, the death. हाँ. But अभी क्या मैं I can't reveal तो plot ही बाहर आ जाएगा ना.
हाँ, जो
मर गई
आपने
तो मर
देखा
गई.
वो देखा. हाँ, मर गई तो मर गई.
But I'm happy that people are watching the trailer so carefully and with so much interest that they are really taking every detail personally. So I mean, like they're watching it with too much attention, which is nice.
This last one is okay. This one's for Ejaz, which says, अच्छा तो इसके लिए एजाज ने बिग बॉस छोड़ा था, अब तो ये जरूर देखना पड़ेगा.
देखो भाई.
हाँ, प्लीज देखो. मुझे आपके
जिस वजह से देखना है देखो.
प्लीज देखो. यार इंटरेस्ट तो था क्योंकि लोग जब सोच रहे थे इतना क्या है, इतना you're leaving such a big show and you're coming out.
Yeah.
See, it wasn't necessarily that it wasn't specifically that I came out only because it was City of Dreams. If it was my prior commitment with something else, I would have absolutely come out. And मैं वैसे एक्टर्स में से नहीं हूँ जो opportunist है और मेरे प्रोफेशनल इंटेग्रिटी को मैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर सकता हूँ. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि I'm sure there is a part of the industry who also notices this, or because of that I will get a little more respect. जिस वजह से भी आपको देखना है आप प्लीज देखिए. हाँ, मैं इसके लिए बाहर आया था और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं आया और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैंने इसे कंप्लीट भी किया और बिना किसी को ज्यादा तकलीफ दिए. I am just happy that I am on good terms with everyone, thankfully. And please see it. It's a lot of hard work put in this and a bit of sacrifice.
I think that brings us to the end of this interview, finally and sadly. But before Aishwarya texts me again to wrap up, I am wrapping up. Thank you so much for joining Priya and Ejaz. This is the first time I was speaking to Priya. So good to see Priya and Ejaz.
Thank
you as well. So it's always a pleasure talking to you. I just want to wish you all the very best for City of Dreams Season 2, which starts streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar from the 30th of July. And eagerly waiting for it. And I hope that we do a success interview and talk more about a couple of things from the season, from the second season, and more about the third season, which we really hope that it comes.
Looking forward to that.
It was lovely talking to you, Shweta. Thank you so much.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye for the fun interview. Thanks.
Now I will freeze again.